No pulling on clothes. What's the matter? Don't you know glass is fragile? Blue plates chip easy.
You hear him? You fell.
Give her sugar, Austin. Everybody say happy birthday, William! Woohoo!
Happy birthday, William!
Woohoo!
Get on Daddy!
Yes.
Daddy! Get on Daddy! You guys tackle him down first!
That doesn't sound too good. Get on, Daddy. I don't know what kind of shit they're doing in their house, but...
Hey, you! Oh my God!
Shake it off. No.
He's the one that brought it in here.
He's the one that brought it out here.
Yeah, he's the one that brought it out here. And then William walks in there, he's like, I'm going to get a chair. I was like, yeah. With
My kid runs to the bowl. He doesn't run away from it. He runs to it.
What happened? What? Happy birthday, William. Woohoo! How old are you? How old? How many fingers?